Okay, it's been a minute since I did a video, so I don't know if it's in the last one, but I got the engine out. You can see it just pissed transmission fluid, so we went ahead. Got the firewall mostly cleaned up. Got the windshield out. The dash. I gotta finish up on the wiring harness, not a lot left on that. And that'll be all tore apart. Gotta get those last couple panels, back window. Got the gas tank out. Now you can really see everything. I also got the rear bumper off. And this is the only panel I won't have to replace on the whole damn car. Because look at that, it's actually all there. Got most of the exhaust off, just gotta cut that little pipe and get that out of there. Yeah, new floor panel, I'll fix that. So, that's my progress report as of right now. I guess I'll make another video when I get more done.